Everybody might remember when we were working on this 2016 RMK axis, I hated that big long seat. It drove me crazy. Couldn't get my boot across it. Maybe because I'm not very flexible and I'm kind of old and the bones don't really move the way they used to. So I put that on there. This is from Trim Tech Interiors. They're the Powermodz Powerlite seat. I've got one for the new RMK Khaos. And let's see how much weight we're gonna save with that baby. They're really nice, man. Like, anybody who really rides these for what they're kind of intended to do, you don't spend a lot of time sitting down, right? So basically, we're just popping this old seat off. Let's go see what this one weighs compared to this one. Oh, there's a difference. Hold on. I got this too.
Should you be using that harder over again? Or?
Got that on. Let me see, can we get this on? What does that say? 6.21 pounds. That's clear. 6.21 pounds. Oh, we forgot these. All this hardware is not going to be used again. 6.37 pounds. What's this new one weigh? 2.27. 445.9. That's crazy. 30 pounds. So just fish this groove in, fish this bracket in. Oopsie. I sort of get these bolts pre-installed here. Slip it in underneath there. Where'd I put that? Leave that there. I really can. I wonder if I can get. Do you think I can get that in? I don't know. This is the way I did it in the other one. One of those little balled Allen keys work way better. You know, they got the little swivel on the end of it.
That's a lot easier.
Yeah. Okay, good. These Powermodz Powerlite seats, you can get them right from us here at Powermodz. 525 Canadian. Bargain. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh, that's way better, man. Way better. Very nice. Quality, man. Now, the one I had on the Axis last year, I did break. But my machine was on the side, sort of pointing downhill, and I stood on the side of it, and it sort of ripped one of these things, but he's reinforced this and improved this by quite a bit. It's a whole lot stronger. I dig it. Keep coming back. What did we lose? About 4 pounds putting that seat on, eh? More coming.